Hey guys, it's Mrs. Smith here. I hope you're having a great day. I created this video just to help you master what you learned today in school. We are learning how to divide, but also we want to get to long division pretty soon. So as you know, today's lesson in school was about being able to divide using related facts of multiplication. So in this video, I'm going to show you and remind you of the strategy that you learned today so that division becomes easier for you using your related facts of multiplication. If you notice on the board, we have a problem. We have 360 divided by 6 equals blank. Remember, the answer that you get in division is called the quotient. That is what we're looking for here. We don't have the quotient or the answer. So we are going to use the strategy of using the related facts of multiplication to find our quotient or our answer in division. So the first thing that we would do is that we would notice that we are dividing a very large number, 360. 360 happens to have a 0 in the ones place. So this should be a very easy problem, believe it or not, to solve. What I would do first is I would underline my basic facts so that I could see that I have 36 in the number 360 divided by 6. The next thing that I would do is I would draw a carrot stick, and then I would think, related facts of multiplication, 36 and 6. Well, I know that 6 times 6 equals 36. I also know that 6 times 6, if I turn it around, equals 36. So, in other words, 36 divided by 6 is going to equal 6. But I'm not done because I've done nothing with the 0. Because 360 ends in 0 and there's only one 0 there, I'm going to add that 0 to my answer, and my answer is 60. So 360 divided by 6 gives us a quotient of 60. And that was very easy to do because I used my related facts of multiplication to help me. Remember, multiplication and division are related, so when you're dividing, you need to think of multiplication to help you when using this type of strategy. Our strategy today was use related facts of multiplication. I hope you try it and practice it. Let's do another problem. And you may hear my daughter, Bella, running around because she's playing in the playroom right next door. Okay, let's do the example. Thank you, Bella, very much. 480 divided by 8. Here you go, Bella. Equals blank of a quotient. Again, we're looking for our quotient or our answer. Now, the strategy that we just learned was underline your basic fact, which looks like 48 divided by 8 equals blank. Okay, can I trade? Can I have that one? Thank you. Draw your carrot stick. Think of your multiplication related facts. Well, we know that 8 times 6 equals 48. We also know, I'll trade you again. We also know that 6 times 8 equals 48. You could try this one. Here you go. You have a whiteboard over there. Go use it on your whiteboard. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to figure out the answer, right? Well, we know that 48 divided by 8 equals 6, right? So our answer is 6, but we haven't used this 1 0. So we need to tack it on to the answer, and that gives us the quotient of 60. So 48 divided by 8 gives us 60. And that's how you use that fact. Now, the last thing that I want to show you is I want to work with a bigger number involving more zeros. But I still want to use the same strategy of the related facts of multiplication. Let's do 2,800, ooh, big number, divided by 7 equals blank. We don't know our quotient. So, step 1, using a related facts of multiplication strategy, as you already know, say it with me, is underline our basic fact. 28 divided by 7. Step 2, say it with me if you know it. Find out the related facts of 28 and 7. Well, we know that 7 times 4 equals 28, or 4 times 7 equals 28. So in this example, we have the 28, the 7, but we're missing the 4. So our answer is 2,800 divided by 7 is a 4, but we've done nothing with the zeros, and we have 1, 2 zeros. So we're going to add the zeros to our answer. And our quotient becomes 400. So let's plug that into our number sentence. 2,800 divided by 7 gives us a quotient of 400. Okay? And that's how you do it. If you want to check your answer, there is a way you can check your answer. You guys know how to multiply with bigger numbers. So what you're going to do is you're going to work backwards, right? Because division and multiplication are related. I'm going to take my quotient, 400. I'm going to write check up here because this is my check work. 400 times 7 should give me 2,800. Oh, can I borrow this one? Sure, there you go. Let's see. Multiply the ones. 0 times 7 or 7 times 0 is 0 ones. 7 times 0 tens is 0 tens. And 7 times 4 is 28. Our answer, our product here is 2,800. And you started with 2,800. So your answer here is correct. So you can use multiplication to check your division problems. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you continue to use this strategy at home. You may watch this video as many times as you need so that you can definitely master this strategy. Have a good day, friends. Enjoy your math and learning.